Let me take a sip of coffee. Perfect. All right. Welcome back to another video. This one's a little bit different. This is a side motivational project that I have been working on. If you don't know the game, it is for a game called Black Desert Online. In this game, there's a lot of enhancing equipment, and people really like to keep track of it. So instead of like people keeping track of it on their phone like I do, or whatever other means they have, I made a tracker. So I'll give it a play for you real quick. Hit create now. It's got these lovely little drop down menus. This is like the main category that you can choose from. You can select offhand, which is, a type of weapon that you can have in the game. And then whichever one for which class. So, say I'm playing a sorceress, talisman, currently enhancing it to pen. I'm not going to explain what all of this means. If you play BDO, if you don't get into the game. You would enter in your current number of taps. It could be 0 if you wanted. It could be 10 already. And then the current fail stack. So let's just say it's 115. You hit create. And boom, it pops up just like that. You can say that it has succeeded, which disables all of these buttons, or take it away if you, messed up and accidentally clicked it. You can also increase or decrease the number of taps, or you can increase the fail stack. This needs a little bit of reworking. I might add a -1 button here and shift all of these over, but this is just the base. It's the prototype. It's by no means done. It is, which is what I have so far. It definitely needs some spicing up. But you could have multiple of the same kind. You can create as many as you want. There's no limit. And the cool thing is, let's just create one more. The cat muted my mic. I don't know how long I haven't been talking for, but let's just say that you create a whole bunch. And the cool thing is that you can have, multiple of the same type here. I don't know if that came through, but each of these has a different ID, so you can just have as many as you want. But anyways, the cool thing is when you quit the application, you have in your file system a new data file. It's a JSON file. This is the first time I've ever done file saving. It was, I followed a tutorial on YouTube. It was kind of confusing. Not gonna lie, it wasn't difficult by any means, but I would not have been able to figure that out easily by myself, kind of thing. But anyways, you open up this data file and boom. I probably could have organized this in a better way, but I keep 5 different lists, and it just keeps the names, the levels, the attempts, the item fail stacks, and the item succeeded. And in each of those, it's got a key and a value. So let's just say in this key corresponds to the talisman offhand weapon that we selected, that we're going for pen on. We've got 10 attempts so far on a 150 fail stack, and it's not succeeded, so it's false. You hit play again on the application, and boom, they're all there again. Let's create let's cancel that and say our talisman finally succeeded. Close out of that. We'll go into, I closed the tab. Okay, so here we are in our BDO enhancement tracker data folder. We're going to open up the data again. And in regards to the talisman, you'll see that everything is the same, except we're down here at item succeeded. It's now true. So we know the save successfully, and it loads back up. I'm just running this through Unity, but I do have it available for download if you guys would like to try it. I know it's a very simple app. I'm sure there's a lot more I can include. Future plans include going through and implementing the UI, because right now, when you create a new item to track, I manually wrote down all of these, which it was a lot. But if I have the API, then I can access a lot more data and get a lot more information for you. So next steps is to implement the API and kind of clean up the UI and how it looks. It's just a little bit, it's kind of icky looking. It's not very clear. There's some things like for the offhand, this talisman, this can be there's two different types. Well, I guess there's more than that, but there's like Nuver and Kudum and stuff, and that's just not specified anywhere. So that's also, something that I need to fix up. But yep, if you are interested in trying this, I have a build ready to go right here. It comes like this. You just open it up, hit extract all, and extract where you want it. Nothing super special about it. It'll pop out on your computer like this, and you just hit this application right here, and it'll open it up. In my case, it'll open up and it will use the previous data that was just created in this Unity here, like that. So you'll see that all of the data is right there. Yeah. So if you guys are interested, I will have it in my Discord available to download, and more than happy to get feedback on it. I know this is a prototype. I want to hear what you guys have to say. So yeah, I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Bye.